How are
Hello.
you?
Hey, good evening.
So myself Sunanda. I am a nutrition consultant. From last 7 years, I am working as a nutrition consultant in Bangalore. So my purpose is to join this speaking book club to improve my communication skills because I felt communication is required everywhere in every field, like when in our relationships, in our profession, everywhere. So I started joining this speaking book club, and frankly speaking it's helping me a lot, and the people who are joining, so of course this will help them a lot. So my today's topic is commandment commandment of possibility thinking. So सबसे पहले मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू लर्न हाउ टू मैनेज टाइम, हाउ टू मैनेज मनी, मैनेज पीपल एंड मैनेज योरसेल्फ? एनीवन? Nobody, very few people. मतलब हमें कभी सिखाया ही नहीं गया कि कैसे मैनेज करना है, राइट? So what is the possibility thinking? So basically possibility thinking focus not only to manage time, money, energy or person, but the management of ideas. रोज हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारे आइडियाज आते हैं, बट हम कितने आइडियाज पे काम करते हैं? वेरी फ्यू, राइट? सो कैसे उस आइडिया को मैनेज करना है, सो दैट इज ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी थिंकिंग. So this is basically management of ideas, and that is separation of negative thoughts from positive thoughts. So never underestimate the value of an idea. Every positive idea has potential for success if it is managed properly. Problem ये है कि हमें पता ही नहीं होता मैनेज करना है, कैसे करना है. So how do we can manage the ideas effectively? So I will tell you today few commandments of possibility thinking. And what are they? The first is never reject possibility because you see something wrong with it. होता है ऐसा हमारे साथ, बिकॉज जब भी कोई भी आइडिया आती है तो हमें लगता है कि ये होगा, पॉसिबल है, कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है यहाँ पे. बिकॉज कोई भी अगर आइडिया अगर आ रहा है, बिकॉज समथिंग रॉन्ग इन एवरी आइडिया. कोई ऐसा आइडिया नहीं है जिसमें आपको ये लगेगा कि सब कुछ सही है. So something wrong in every idea. God gives us idea and we find something negative aspect in it. So first thing, don't leave the idea when you see a problem in that. And second is never reject possibility because you won't get the credit. Most of the people को सोचते हैं कि अरे इस आइडिया पे अगर हमने काम किया तो वी नेवर, हमें कोई क्रेडिट ही नहीं मिलेगा. और बस इसी वजह से, बस वो क्रेडिट की वजह से they left that idea. So never do that. Don't worry about the credits, because God can give tremendous things if the person doesn't care about the credits. So decide today, either you want credits or want your success. So that is very very important. Then second thing is never reject idea because it's impossible. Because क्या होता है, almost every great idea, it looks impossible when it is born. कभी भी ऐसा है कि कोई आइडिया आया, आपको लगे कि अरे ये तो बहुत इजी है, मैं इसे कभी भी इस पे काम कर सकता हूँ. So possibility thinkers that take all great ideas that turn the impossibilities into possibilities. So be a possibility thinkers. And then next is never reject idea because you don't have money, you don't have power, you don't have energy, and you don't have time to achieve it. Only it takes to accomplish an idea is mind power. सिर्फ वो जो होता है ना, माइंड पावर, वही चाहिए होता है कोई भी आइडिया को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. If that is missing, you can't get them. So, and spend enough time, use enough energy, then you can do everything, you can achieve everything. Then next is never reject an idea because it will create conflict. We can never develop possibility without creating problems. We can't achieve any goal without any tension. We can never make a commitment without producing any conflict. So never reject idea because of that, it will create conflict. Then next is never reject idea because it is not in your way of doing things. होता है ना कई बार कि हमें कुछ आइडिया आया, हमें लगता है कि अरे इसके लिए हमें बहुत सारी चीजें कॉम्प्रोमाइज करनी पड़ेगी. So always ready to learn to accommodate and compromise everything. Because कभी भी all the different styles, new policies, all are opportunities to grow. अगर कुछ भी आप अगर चेंज कर रहे हैं, कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहे हो, तो वो एक आपके लिए टेक इट as an opportunity to grow. So don't leave that. And last is never reject an idea because it might fail. There is a risk in everything. Without risk, no gain. Without risk, सबने सुना ही होगा. So we never reject the idea because there is some risk involved in it. And so always take the responsibility, always take an idea, always be a possibility thinkers. Choose poverty instead of prosperity, failure instead of success. People who are failing, they are the real winners. With this, I'm done. Thank you.
Awesome. So
Yeah,
nice.
very good.
Possibility thinking. So this is, I think these are the times where actually you need possibility thinking, no? And thank you so much, Sunanda, for delivering it so, मतलब जब हम लोग बोलते थे ना टेक्निकल बना देते हैं कि समझना मुश्किल हो जाता है, बट यू पुट इट सो सिंपली दैट एवरीवन कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड.